Alright, we have 4.5 here with Sam. Sam at 4.5. On 2.8 twice. Okay, I'm supposed to have one of those hammer things to go gong with, but I don't have that. So 2.8 2007, Jogi. Chaudhary, ladies and gentlemen, hello. Hi. Good, thank you. Alright, I'm keeping up. I'm totally keeping up. Bid price is, the reserve price is 4.75. That's 4,75,000 for Jogi Chaudhary. Now we all know that art is the best form of investment only after real estate, of course. But art is absolutely fantastic to buy. It's on the rise and will always be, especially because Indian artists are truly happening and will always be. And Jogi Chaudhary is, of course, don't go away. Oh, you're showing it to them? Alright, lovely. Alright, okay. That's Jogi Chaudhary and it's the reserve price is 4.75. Show Mr. Sudhir Mehta, please. Please. I beg of you, true. That's Jogi Chaudhary for 4.75. We're gonna start with... You also have the option for the silent bid again. Someone said something. Oh, it's already a silent bid, sorry. Oh, there's a bid already for 4.75. Sorry about that. Do I hear anything beyond 3.75 or do I just hear 3.75? 3.75? I know there's something called a silent bid, but you're silent here without the bid. Alright, okay. That was a bad joke. 3.75. 3.75. On the left. Hello, left. 3.75. Hello, how are you? Alright. Hello, center. 3.75. What happened, yeah? 16 lakhs, sir. What is your name, sir? I was taking the final leave just now. Yes. Atul. Atul. 16 lakhs for Atul. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Alright, can we do better than 16? Can we do better than 16 lakhs? We already have a bid for 16 from Atul. Anyone? 16? Anyone to top? 16 for Satish Gujral, the final leap. Year 2007. 16 lakhs. Do I hear 17? Do I hear 16 and a half? Do I hear anything at all? 16 and a half. Futures predict the future colors and of course have a grand texture of colors that mesmerize homes and other spaces. This has absolutely no estimated price. Good evening, sir. And so I don't know what to say because I can't put a value to my own fraternity, so I won't. So does anyone want to buy this Garden of Eden, which is signatures and just textures and just strokes by various celebrities who have visited and will all be, and also people who have not yet painted on this canvas will do so later on. I think Salman hasn't yet done signature. Everyone will just have a stroke. It's for charity, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone, all the celebrities present today and who visited this wonderful evening will have a little piece of their love on this canvas. So, does anyone have anything to say? 1 lakh, we have 1 lakh. Yes. 1 lakh, sir, thank you. Are 4, fantastic, sir. Well done. Only if Salman paints. Only if Salman paints you have a stroke. Alright, Salman will do that for us. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you that we have 4, Sam at 4. 4.25, Mr. Kapoor at 4.25. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hi. Bhai. Acha. 4.5. Half on my right. Give it a stand. Give it a stand. Give it a stand. Alright. We have 4.5 here with Sam. Sam at 4.5. Already Splash. That's my name for this piece of art. Anyway. Yes, Vikram, you stood up. Oh, Alright. Okay. 4.5 then to Sam. Going once. No. 4.5. 4.75. Thank you, Ayub. You stopped me at the right time. I appreciate that. That's what we'll vote for.